All right, so today's lesson, simple probability. All right, quick definition, theoretical. You can read that. That's what if. Okay, that's really what we're looking at today. And hang on, So I like to think of this definition of what we want out of what we have. Okay, so when we do this, all right, we are looking at this right here. All right, it says suppose we have 4 green crayons. 4 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, what's the probability of getting the blue? Now, remember, Mr. Jeffries is kind of country, kind of southern. I say crayon, not crowns. Crowns are something you wear on your head, weirdos. Oh, I forgot that there was one in there. So let's see. So we got 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. All right, we get 12. All right, that's what we have is 12. Now, probability of getting a blue. Now, you'll see this written like this, probability of blue. Okay, so this is out of 12. All right, we have 2 of them. Well, this reduces down to 1 over 6. Okay, now always reduce down your fractions. If you have the calculator like I have there in the classroom, or like this one, it will do it for you. Okay, all right, let's move on. So we have 12 equal sides. All right. Now this is we've had this before in algebra 1, and a lot of people had a hard time with this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so what we are doing, uh, hang on, my wife is texting me. Yeah, we're in quarantine. She got exposed. Thanks. So, all right, here's our numbers 1 through 12. All right, and find theoretical probability landing on one of these. All right, so landing on 6. Well, 6 only happens 1 out of the 12 times, not 6 times. Okay, weirdos. Oh, 1 out of 12. Ha! I'm the weirdo. Okay, so that's our answer. All right, odd numbers. That's why I wrote this out, because sometimes it helps being visual. So odd numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's going to happen 6 out of 12 times, which is 1/2. Okay. Greater than 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have known that if you can count. Okay, this is 1/3. Less than 9. So there's 8 numbers that are less than 9. So 8 over 12. Why can't I do this one in my head? I know this should be 2/3. Not 2 twos. 2/3. Okay. Just trying to be funny with my beatboxing. Multiple of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 over 12 again. Now, multiples of 3, that's anything that you can multiply. That's like your times tables. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. And again, this is 1/3. All right. This one's kind of cool. I like this one. Not 1. Okay. So probability in getting something that's not 1. Well, there's 11 of them. All right. That's it. 11 out of all those. Okay. So it's going to be cool. All right. Now, there's probably your turn on here on the handout that I posted and all this kind of stuff. Whatever. If you want to do it, you can do it. You can email me about it. Okay. I had to record this real quick. I couldn't even do it in my kitchen. I'm like, my computer's sitting on the bed. I ain't even got a desk. I'm having a hard time. Just kidding. All right. So, I cracked myself up. Now, probability that it land on the red section. Now, we've changed problems here. Okay. This goes along with that not one thing. So if the look at this, if there's 6 out of 6 times, and this is the probability to land on the red section. Yes, I wrote green for something red. All right, this will happen 5 out of 6 times. Okay. You could do the math with this, or you could actually kind of think about, let's see, I have 6 of them. Probability of landing on that is 1 time. So there's 5. Okay. Still got to get used to the fact that, I'm being recorded backwards from what I'm seeing. All right. Oh, yeah. So there was a thing. All right. 120 randomly selected students. All right. So that's what we have. Okay. And then we're going to look at what we want is. Okay. So I know I'm going to have 120. Probability they like basketball, 30. All right. This is 1/4. Probability they like soccer. No, I'm just joking. All right. Zeros canceled. So this is 1/6. And I'm going to be nice because we'll do the baseball one and the football one. Okay. So baseball, that was 22. Crap, I ain't got zeros on that one, so it's hard for me to do that one. 22 or 120. Thank you, calculator. It's almost like you made life easier for me. All right. And footballs, 34 out of 120. So 34 or 120. This is 17/60. All right, so this is it. That's the lesson. I'll be changing my setup here soon. I just had to get this done. I don't know if y'all heard that going, but that's what I hear in my head. I'll be changing the setup. We're going to make it through this. For those that are virtual, hey, roll tide. You are set for this because, it's just whatever. Okay. All right. Good stuff. Good things. Roll tide.